Hey there guys, sorry. um, we're actually waiting for a package to arrive. I bought some open shoes and I actually already bought one, but it's slightly, well, it's actually a good fit, but I think the one size slightly bigger is what I probably need because that's the size I actually buy for my shoes. And these are open shoes, I wasn't really sure. I think my ride is here as well. It's a Chevrolet car, and well, I'm headed out to a bar. So let's see you after some time. Hey guys, I'm sitting here in a nice little bar. Well, it's actually one of the most expensive bars. Can't help it. Those are the only ones that are decently open. Everything is priced much higher. But cheers! I am drinking a Smirnoff Vanilla with some 7-Up added to it. I am a vodka drinker, and that's kind of what I like to drink when I'm not drinking beer. Beer is kind of my go-to favorite. Beer is my go-to favorite, but yeah, I also like there's a stereo system in the back. Let's see a little bit of the bar. It's pretty nice. I love this place. Thank you. So as you can see, my starter has arrived. It is golden fried prawns with a chili sauce. I'm on my second vodka. Looks and smells delicious. I've had these before from this place, but it's been well over a year. Let's try that out. Yeah, so I'm going to try these. Nicely fried, golden fried, platter fried prawns. As you can see. I think it's a nice thick chili sauce. I hope I don't drip. It's excellent. Another dish. This is the honey glazed pork. Honey glazed pork. I guess I would call. Looks a little spicy and pepper. They've got added some pepper as well. Looks a little oily as well. Oh, we're gonna try it and see, and hopefully it's really good because I love my pork. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So yeah, today's been a very fun afternoon. The plan was actually to go into a bar for the first time since I think the last time I went was around the mid of February or maybe the beginning of February 2020, just a few weeks before the pandemic hit. No, not hit, but basically before the pandemic started going, and we had to all go into lockdown and stuff throughout the world, throughout our area, throughout India and stuff. That was, I think I went with one of my friends. Yeah, one of my best friends. We met after quite a while, and we had a couple of beers and we had some food at a bar called Cochin, which is one of my favorites. This is another one. So there are three that I kind of go to. All three are really expensive now. You can't I mean, it's really expensive, but yeah, so I'm not going in often, so once in a while, just for a little change of pace and see something different that's gets served in a nice atmosphere, have some music playing in the background. Not that I can't do it over here, but yeah, it's different when you're in a bar. Yeah, so I actually was planning to go with a cousin of mine, but he went somewhere else. I think he went to Trivandrum for visiting folks, visiting some people. I think visiting some of his friends as well. So he dumped me, so I was alone. But I decided that no point. I still do want to go. It's been a while. And I've been thinking about doing this for a while. Just was a little afraid. The bars did open a few many weeks ago, but I was a little worried. One, I knew that the prices are definitely going to be high because they haven't been able to um, get their regular wares and regular customers in during the pandemic, during the lockdowns and restrictions. So I knew that pretty much they were going to do this. That was one that happens in India quite a lot, especially in Kerala. It's like people are still going to drink, so that's why they know they're going to get their money's worth. So that was one. The other part was, I wasn't sure, do I really want to go in now? Because I've been enjoying, my Saturday night drinking beers or drinking vodka at home, with the AC on, with some good food coming in, a pizza, burger, and fries, or some Indian food, whatever it is. And sitting at my laptop and playing music or watching something on it, watching football on TV while doing it. So I've been enjoying that aspect of things as well. But yeah, once in a while you do want to change, and since it's been over a year, definitely you want to. I think I do see myself going at least maybe once a month, perhaps. If there are a few more restrictions that's going to come down, maybe I'll start going in a little, maybe once a month. As of right now, I don't know. I already feel like going in tomorrow as well, but I'm not gonna, because tomorrow is a day of work. Today is a Sunday. So yeah, that was the basic thing. So like I mentioned, I went there, booked a cab and went. I had so they have some offers going on now where you buy one drink, you get one free. So buy one get one free, and I had four drinks, and I had those lovely prawns, which were amazing, and dipped with that. It's not too spicy chili sauce. It's not spicy at all. It's got more of a tang to it. Delicious. It's a mix of sweet and spicy, uh, and really thick. So I really like those. I like almost all the places where they have that kind of thing. And I was actually planning on sticking to just seafood, um, and they didn't want chicken or beef. But these guys have really good pork items. So I had the pork. Was not that happy with having the pork because even though it's cooked really well, it got a lot of flavor. And I love honey glazed pork, but it's also mentioned that they've got it slightly spicy with pepper, and the problem is it was a little too spicy, so I ended up it's very difficult to down your um, even though it was cooked really well, the meat was absolutely lovely, but the fact was the spice was like kind of killing the taste a little bit, and I kept drinking. So I was having vodka. It's Smirnoff vanilla with with 7 Up. So I kept drinking 7 Up on the side, just to cool my tongue down because it was really spicy. Still thinking about that spice. Anyway, that's basically what I did this afternoon. And on my way back, I had a little grocery shopping to do, bought some medicines as well. Once those were done, yeah, I did also go to an ATM, then came straight back home. Watched a little bit of a movie which I'll do a review for. I've seen this movie a few times, probably like I've seen it on cable, maybe like 2 or 3 times, twice at least, and I've seen it on DVD and sorry, streaming services. They don't have the DVD yet. I have seen it on streaming services a couple of times. So this is the fifth time that I'm watching the movie, I guess, maybe. And I love the movie, so I'll do the review of it. It's called Eight Below. Any good movies with dogs in it is always a big plus for me. Plus, I also like the setting that it's Antarctica. Even though I don't like the fact that the dogs are actually left to fend for themselves out in the icy cold wilderness, still I do love the movie quite a lot. So that's it about today. I'm gonna have a quiet night, probably watch the rest of that movie, maybe even watch something else. The two television series, of course, that I do need to start watching, which is going to be, or rather, the season 2 of one series, which is The Mandalorian. The season 2, I've not watched the season 2 yet. And I also need to watch Wonder Vision. I thought I'll wait for that to get over and then kind of do a little bit of a binge watching, but maybe this week, I don't know. Probably, I think I will try and watch The Mandalorian first, and then I'll watch Wonder Vision, and then I'll do a overall review for both towards the, like, one individual video each. That's about it. Just want to do a vlog. It's already gone longer than I wanted to, so I think I'll bid you a good night, and I'll see you again sometime soon. Bye.